and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa and this is Growing on Vancouver Island. Today I'm coming to you from my kitchen. I just chopped up some celery and now we're going to plant it. So here is my freshly chopped up celery. This celery is just from the grocery store and it's probably been in the fridge for a little too long. Still totally edible, but we're going to plant the scraps. So let's go outside. So here's another look at the celery we're going to be planting. We just cut this from our grocery store celery. It's not looking super hot. It was in the fridge way too long, but I'm convinced it's still gonna grow just like the celery I planted last year that I got beautiful celery from. So this is the celery that I planted last year. I planted it just the same way I'm planting celery today, from the end of a grocery store bunch of celery. It grew within, I don't remember how many months, but several months. It became a beautiful bunch of celery and we cut it off and it came back. It's coming back again, so we're gonna plant a little more. Let me show you how. So this is where we're going to be planting our celery. I'm just going to dig a little hole. I'm going to pull this out. I'm pretty sure it is a flower bulb. And I'll just dig a nice good hole here. And we're just going to stick it in. We want to bury it so it's not totally covered, but a good amount of the root part is covered. I'll give you a closer look in a moment. So here's a closer look at how deep I have buried my celery, the root part. So the root is all covered and we've got, I'm going to estimate maybe 2 centimeters of green celery exposed to the surface. So that's all there is to it. If you love growing your own celery, I encourage you to plant your grocery store scraps and get some fresh celery homegrown when it doesn't cost any more than the grocery store price. So thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Have a lovely day.